Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off auto backup of Google Photos. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, you guys must have to know that why we turn off the backup of Google Photos. Because sometime it might slow down our device performance, or if you don't use Google Photos and you don't want to make the cloud storage to become increase, so you want to turn off the backup. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. You guys have to simply open up Google Photos app on your mobile phone, and after opening up Google Photos app on your mobile phone, here you guys have to simply tap on the top right of your profile icon. So after tapping on your profile, here you guys can see I have already turned it off. So if your side, if the backup is turned on, you guys have to simply tap on the option which is turn on backup. So you guys have to simply tap on turn off backup, which should be here. So you guys have to simply tap on it. So after tapping on it, and your backup will be stopped and your backup will be turned off. And in this way you guys can save too much of cloud storage, and you guys can speed up your device performance and many more. I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.